Hello, doctors. Today I'm going to teach you how to increase your staff morale. I'll say it properly eventually one day. Anyways, so to do so, you got to make sure the hospital is, just well taken care of, is very attractive, has lots of stuff in it, has coffee machines and other things that the staff would like and enjoy. To have a good staff room is okay. That's a crappy staff room that I made there, but I made a much better one over here. Having a good staff room really matters, but a lot also what also matters is all the stuff you can find here. So just press the number 5 on your keyboard, and it'll bring up this menu here. All right, so you can see the overall morale right here, and then you can also change your break policy right here, which allows the doc. You see there, 9 out of 17 doctors can take a break at the same time. But if I increase that to like 11, it'll make them happier in general. It's just these little things that'll make them happier. Increasing all your rooms to be a level 5 prestige also really helps. So just have it up to level 5. I only got level 3 here, but there are some in here that are level 5. I don't know which ones. And that in general will increase their morale and make things easier for you. Paying them well also helps. So if you have a person here and you want to pay them, like check your pay, like in general, you can see that this guy's happy, and this guy isn't. But it's, I can increase their pay and then he will be. So you can bring it all the way up until their face is green like this, and then most likely you'll get the morale that you need to finish the quest. Anyways, I think that's all you need to know. If this video helped you, please like it, and please remember, do not subscribe to me.